Hello everybody and a very warm welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a short video on how to get rid of them pesky click spots. So without further delay, let's get in the cockpit. So here we are in the cockpit and clicking on some spots. Some work, some don't. So what we're going to do is go to the overhead panel and click on the electric pumps 1 and 2. One works but the other one doesn't. So there's a really simple fix for all this, and what we need to do is press escape, go into the general options, click on graphics and scroll down right down to the bottom, and you'll see two options of lens correction and lens flare. Turn these both off, apply and save, go back and then resume your flight. So if we go back to the overhead panel, and you can see that the click spots work every time, no matter what. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, then please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any future content or live streams. Thank you again. Till the next time, take care. Bye bye for now.